What's up YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here over at Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to you today about the car behind me, 2020, our first 2020 limited hybrid RAV4. This one's in magnetic gray. And it is just the basic limited model, no additional package options. So great opportunity to give a walk around on our first one without the additional package options. But we'll make more videos as I get in other inventory with more options. Let's take a look inside. Of course, we've got advanced keyless entry, all your power options, memory seats, power seats. This does have the Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, which includes auto high beams. The limiteds do come with the power rear liftgate standard, as well as heated seats, dual zone automatic climate control. We do have a factory navigation system, as well as, of course, the backup camera. The JBL premium audio system. I believe 10 or 11 speakers on this one. Full digital dash display here. Moonroof. Leather interior. Really good sized back seat. These seats can hold flat, of course. It's that power lift gate. JBL premium stereo, includes a subwoofer in the back, lots of cargo space. Of course, the hybrid badging. Special 5-spoke alloy wheels on the hybrid limited. Fog lights, LED headlights, parking sensors all the way around. This one also has the roof rack crossbars. Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 includes your lane trace assist, lane departure warning system, adaptive cruise control with full speed range, as well as road sign assist. This one also has our new digital rear view mirror. Home link, of course, as well as Bluetooth, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Again, I'm Patrick over here at Gresham Toyota. If you have any questions, you can call me at that number below if you're in the market for a new vehicle. I'm in the Portland, Oregon area, but we definitely do out-of-state deals as well. Hit me up at the number below or subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. Have a great day.